Now, when you show up for class, you may think, okay, I want a nice big picture, you know, something I can put up on the wall, something I can be proud of. But when you come to a class, try to think of it this way, that you're not trying to create a masterpiece. And let me speak to that for just a minute, because everybody wants to paint a good painting, right? If you paint a painting that you're not happy with, and you're not wanting anybody else to see it because you're kind of embarrassed by it or whatever like that. But when you come to a class, try to keep this in mind, that you're there to learn things. You're there to learn techniques. You're there to learn concepts about painting. And so as you're doing that, it's going to be a struggle. You're not just painting, but you're trying to learn something about painting. So try to think of it this way, that if I succeed in trying out that technique that I was taught today, if I succeed in trying out that concept about light, about color, or whatever it is, no matter how my painting comes out as far as how appealing it is, I have succeeded today. And so what I suggest is, anytime that you're in a class, to paint very small paintings. It's just helpful because you're not having to cover so much acreage. It doesn't take as long to get through it, and it gives you a little more time to kind of play around with it and work on those techniques. So I suggest an 8 by 10. That's a good size.